Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your work in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, make sure that everything on your canvas is exactly how you want it. Once you're ready, go to the top menu and click on File. Select Export, then click on Export As. A new window will open showing you a preview of your image along with some settings on the right side. Here, you can choose the format you want to export your image in, such as JPG, PNG, or GIF. Pick the one that best suits your needs. If you choose JPG, you can adjust the quality of your image. Move the slider to the left for a smaller file size. But if you need a high-resolution image, move the slider all the way to the right. There's also an option to resize your image if needed. Simply enter the new dimensions in the width and height fields. You can also use the scale option for quicker resizing. If your image has a transparent background and you want to keep it that way, make sure you're exporting it as a PNG and keep the transparency option checked. For formats like JPG, which don't support transparency, Photoshop will automatically fill the background with a solid color. Once you've set everything up, click on Export at the bottom right of the window. Name your file, and click Save. And that's it! You've successfully exported your work from Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.